No.
Elvis na mi chakiri. Ne maraga gire. Todo he ando mako meki faru wa. Na munene wa ori. More in the black American. Yes. Yo. Yo o he to the way amaro. Yes, there are NGO. They will mother media my daughter call you know boreholes, wells, could relocate. Idi ma. Yo munene wa super fight sare. O de uma na iro vidi. Moy is a black American, born and raised in the U.S. of. Yes.
Hey.
No black Americans here mara ya edogo kiao. Yetiana yasu. Taru mudogo akiathiri. I want to come over to your place and talk to you. Mo black American. I want to come over your place. I want to come over your place and talk about man. Make out the maru like ya. Adogo they are somehow calm.
Ara ne mare gotoko kidogo.
Na nikia adogo matare jokes funny. So Kau no kau ka mahano hi. No he go tiri mo he de comedian ya te mwega. Yes. You know, I just want to say I love it. I love the water. It's nice. The swimming pool is just awesome. The beach line is friend, and I really love it. No black American. Man, the beach is just fine, man. You know, I went to the beach in Mombasa, man. It's cool, man. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Na ne mare tu oto tare Jesu.
Me mare tu ono gari to mo no ri. No, vasi.
Nio kula kidogo.
Ne mamata ya jugo. Yes. Mo dosio wa ka hogi. Makiwe ne black man.
Yeah, American.
Na no gwara ya. No hayawi huwa. He modo marase maniri na moy. Marase okia o modo factory reset.
Mare kumau.
Reset settings. Yes. You see your camera, yo. How guy? How you doing, man? You good in job, man? That's what I'm saying. Where's Elvis, man? Elvis, you got it going on, man? Yeah, Meshach. Yeah, I like what you do, man. Yeah, you're doing it nice. Yeah, you're pulling your own lever really nice. I like the way you drill them boreholes. No, that language does not sound very good.
No, le dio go tu hoke.
Oh my. Omaka is a black man.
American.
Leo ni mwana yoka akoma chera loko. No ni ore area au makoma keto ke faru akiriko. Uni yoka wa hang out na kidogo. Kama you just want to hang out a little bit. We got to do the ni akore madera. Yes.
Oh,
just want to have a little bit of yam chimer. You call it yam chimer? I love it, yam chimer, man. It's just cool, man. You know, it's what you call the barbecue. You know, though go matu show my barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yes. Barbecue. Oh, you love it on the ribs, you know.
Na barbecue no geto ikine na kule Haiti. Eude kio ke moda kule.
Yo ke moda na ya ko horo.
Eude kira roria.
Yes.
Udora ria prime minister guaya.
We. Kamura ka huko.
Oikare okugure we.
Oika okinderie kono kono.
Okondo karange.
Okondo karange.
Tiga wira.
What are you? Do hana. Barbecue tigana.
Ocio ne mohio.
Ocio ne ke moda. Muna no wow ri. Wakiwa ni amathira. Moka mace mani mai yandu makaya gachoma. Akai uhida iri tatu uguo. So akaigira ngari akatia.
Agathie.
Yes. Rero mathira kwina thina muno wa irabu. Yes. Kwina mugururio.
No kwina mugururio muhio muno rathi na mbere matura-ini.
Yes.
Specially wa kuhitana na unyui wa njohi. Na njohi iria itari njitikirie.
Yes. Leo he andu maragithiete gukunda ngo oguo gicinia maji. Arerwa, you see, the reason why we are not taking you to Uchuo joint. The Uchuo is because there is a serious problem of the government.
You know, police
are arresting Efred Linka. So now we have to go shoom. We have to go shoom.
Vadie marima.
We take you shoom, then you enjoy yourself, and then finish
we go.
Because if we go many town, we shall get what?
Arrested.
And arrest like today Friday, court is Monday.
You stay in,
or you eat, you You ho, the Ochoro.
Eko horio choro.
You fu Ochoro. Up to Mad or Tuesday. My dear much. No problem. I gotta go now, man. Take me where you want to take me, man. I got it going now.
Oh, Mudosi ona keno go keba.
Okay, but no, as long as we get a drink and I love me, I'm cool with that. Let's go wherever you want to go. I go to Scott. Yes. Now you don't park here exactly where we are enter. Park front. Park by shop. Then we enter through.
Back door
where we sell just you see where there is goat glazing. We pass it there. I like the whole idea. I just love it.
Marage tonya.
Ai tonya.
Iti do.
Marahi goro na duda. Kore mora gwana duda. Duda ska nyama karato manu karoka. Kudo gwen. I love it, man. It's cute, man. Well, see, the government don't want people to enjoy themselves like this. The government here is not very happy when we are happy. I mean, I don't get it, man. They're having a nice time, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got it.
Naleo shokare feri mudosi wao.
Daga. Anyu aga marare fa. Kabra bin vure. Wotia to yeto watia. To sell out.
Ishero.
Si ade to ko logotika ne?
Ko logotika ine.
Si wangu ira kunyiro hendo maranyu ira ke.
Maranyu ira karugu fe.
Yes. Si wangu iroka. Sina metoma igitho idaga. Shiroka ituete ginya murango na matinari gariga. Mundu ara kuhure ne kwarithio ukomithio thi lala chini araga walebi nyinyi lala chini amuna tabu serikali mafunga bombe mnakuja lala kila mtu lala muna wa kauya mpaka murateri. This ones when they say you sleep you are supposed to even dose. This ones is the bad ones.
Koma
is the bad ones. Mecha kitu mwele akome.
Niako linguna gitende kia mushinga menye gukoma.
I are there. Yo, pull man. I know my rights. I know what I'm doing over here. You don't gotta mess with me. I know I've read the Constitution of Kenya. I know the Bill of Rights. I've read it all over, and I know my rights. So you don't gotta mess with me. You don't gotta mess with my rights. Because I'm a mess with you. Well, ain't nobody gonna shake me. Yeah, man. I'm the big bad nigger from the big bad city. What you talking about? What you saying? I ain't no fear no popo. Black Americans police popo. I ain't fear no popo. You call the popo. I fear you popo.
Dale tigre police.
Police maru gadre. What's enda deal na ile mtu.
Yo mzungu.
Enda deal na mzungu inaongana mabua. Asa ndio lo hero mwe. Lwa police lutao kiwo kiutikie.
Keu.
Lwe horo kureka mundu safeseri ya kuma gutu. Ginya ikai ukamijia ruta. Akirororo gere. Musikaje rende mwana adigwa. Kora ke mwana adigwa. Oi, musikaje rage oi. Aka hogere. Atiriri mecha ki. Modo no.
Ocho munene waria Gikuyu.
Ocho munene. Waria ta mwesaka.
Arato kanirio heigire cia kiro.
Cia kiro aracoka akirira acoka rugongo. What? Ai ginya Kenyeri. ndeketwo operation hau mutikaguthe ringi
no atumuke
we mutikandumune Udago digo thina kuro kachipero ri arendie transfer kendie guoya kungi
wake rugongo ni urahuhurirwo ni cia wangu
roga kuma kamura anyua anyua no cia wangu ni swaga mundu factory settings
etha inyanya na 36